giving food boxes and milk out to the community, and it's a lot of fun. It's a good thing, and I'm really happy that we're able to do it.
Thousands of boxes of free food and gallons of milk are distributed in Crockett to anyone who wants or needs it. Under the leadership of a local church, the community is benefiting from the Farmers to Families food boxes. KTRE's Donna McCollum shares the mission is spreading goodwill across Houston County.
How are you? Building bridges through generosity is the overall mission of a community-oriented church in Crockett.
We want to trust that our community is filled with people who have good hearts and good intentions.
It's not about economics. It's not about could you buy this yourself. It's not about that.
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
It's about just giving from the heart.
Pastor Leon Wallace listened to his heart beginning 59 days ago.
The world was kind of upside down. Things were going haywire. And so somehow I decided just to put a tent out by the road of the church,
where he sits from 6:30 in the morning to 8:30 at night, visiting with hundreds of visitors. In July, his Standing with Crockett mission evolved.
And so I called a friend and said, hey, I don't want to be in the food business, but any way we could get a truck just drop shipped here with some food.
The connection to Farmers to Families food boxes was made. Since July, a semi has shown up twice a week with produce.
There's beans, there's apples, oranges.
We'll be giving out our 15,000th box of Damari Fresh produce today.
Last week, Borden's Milk joined in.
It's not a poverty program. It's not a program to the poor. We're simply making an investment in our community. And by the end of August, the value of the produce and the milk that has been distributed will be almost $700,000.
Houston County residents come from miles around, arriving hours before the semi. Volunteers from all faiths and backgrounds show up even earlier.
Are you delivering?
Yes, ma'am. I have 15 milks and 15 boxes every time.
Good hearts, good intentions.
Me personally, anytime God's in the midst, you can't go wrong.
Have a great day. Have a great day.
Donna McCollum, KTRE East Texas News 9.
Food deliveries are made each Tuesday and Thursday at the Crockett Civic Center.